It is 3:07 p.m. Mountain Time, Saturday, February 24th, 2024. We're aboard the world famous Via Rail train number 2, the Canadian, headed from Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada to Toronto, Ontario, Canada. We are east of Valemount, west of Jasper, Alberta. I think we're starting up Yellowhead Pass on the Canadian National Railway. View inside our dome observation car, Laurentide Park. We have two Via Rail GPA-30 diesel electric locomotives, F40PH type locomotives, built at the Diesel Division, General Motors Canada Limited, London, Ontario, Canada plant, with components from where I worked, Electromotive Division, General Motors Corporation, McCook, Illinois plant. And we have one deadheading dome observation car, Valemount Park. And we have one baggage car, one coach, Skyline Dome car, sleeper Cornwall Manor, sleeping car Bayfield Manor, sleeping car Butler Manor, sleeping car Carlton Manor, sleeping car Bliss Manor, my sleeper Fraser Manor. I'm in an open section, lower berth 01L, Skyline Dome car, dining car York, Prestige class sleeping car Chateau Dahlem, bringing up the rear of this dome observation car, Laurentide Park. And again, Saturday afternoon, February 24th, 2024, aboard the world famous Via Rail Canadian train number 2.